Team laps. Oh.
Damn. People going off in the McDonald's parking lot. Cheers.
That was such a... That was us last night.
No, it wasn't. Yeah. We're on video, mama.
What was it? It was like... Is it time lapse or no?
Mm-hmm.
It was like...
Kick her ass.
Stop. You, my friend,
Yes.
are gonna get beat one day, baby. I like to see them try, but like, you know.
Grenade. Good.
This one lady.
That's good.
Get this. So this one lady comes with her 3 kids through my till.
Mm.
Her bill's like 60 something. Her card declines, right?
Mm-hmm.
But our machines are fucked, so I'm like, it's okay, it's our machine, try again. Like sometimes the machine just declines because of the bit.
Doesn't work, yeah.
So I tell her to try again 4 times.
Still doesn't work.
Doesn't work. She's like, this is impossible. I have money in the bank. She got all like, you know,
Offended,
ego, whatever, yeah. She's like, I have money in the bank. I have a lot of money in the bank. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, what is
Chill.
going on?
This has nothing to do with you.
This is a new card. I just, like, this is ridiculous. And she started going off. I was like, ma'am, relax. She's like, ah. I'm like, do you have another card? She's like, I want to pay with this one because I have money in the bank. I'm like, I understand that, but sometimes our machines don't accept certain cards because it just doesn't like them, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have another card? She's like, fine, I'll pay with this card, whatever. She pays. She's like, she doesn't even have to tell me. She's like, I'm going to customer service to test out my card because this is ridiculous. I have money in the bank. I'm like, okay.
We got it.
Listen. That's it, right? Next day,
Comes back.
same lady,
No.
3 kids, literally wearing the same thing.
No.
Comes to my till. She remembers me, obviously.
No.
She's like, I called the bank and I have money in the bank. I have $12,000 in the bank. I'm like, TMI, I don't need to know. Like, I
No.
don't care. Like, she's like, I don't, like, look, it works.
Can I
It
have my
works.
pencil, please?
And then she just literally went off.
No,
about
in the back,
how-
in the back.
Huh? About how she had money in the bank. They didn't put any percent.
No.
Oh, they did.
How many?
7, 3.
They put... Man, I don't know why people do that. Like, how are you supposed to... For one big ass burger... Oh, 4. Okay. That makes it okay.
You're about to go off, eh?
It's like, yeah, can I... Or it's like when you go to Subway and you ask for like
And they're like,
lettuce and they give you like 3 more pieces of lettuce. It's like more. Yeah, can I actually have more?
they give you the eye. They're like,
Yeah. Yeah.
this lady's going off about like how she has money in the bank, whatever. I was like, okay, have a good day, bye. Like,
People, eh?
and then there's me when we were at the burrito place. Oh, my card got declined. And you're like, no, maybe there's something wrong with it. I'm like, no, it got declined.
No, I have no money in there. I had like $3. I'm like, no, I didn't. It's just broken.
No,
Machine's broken.
no.
Can you get me my burger? Please. Fuck, I shouldn't have got this one.
It's too late now. Maybe it's hot. Can you?
Oh, you're hot, eh? Okay, here. No.
No, it's okay.
No.
It's okay. Just I had no air coming in.
Open the back window. Ooh, this looks like a fresh tomato. And the chicken apparently is fresh too. We're about to find out. So this is McDonald's Seriously Chicken.
And
Let's show it.
that bread looks so fake. Show the bread. Show them the bread.
Yeah, that looks
It
like.
probably has glue on top.
Yeah, the bread looks like one of those like ones that you buy in the store in the toys, and you can like make like fake food. You know, the ones you buy as a kid.
The squeaky one.
Just take a bite.
Is it good?
Yeah, mama. Want a bite?
Tired. No, I'm good. William asked me yesterday or this morning.
Who?
William, he keeps asking me. He's like, Addie, a question. I'm like, what? He's like, why are you so skinny lately? He's like, you're literally skin and bone. Like, why are you like? He like trash talks me like I'm like so skinny. He's like, why you just want to be like standing on nothing? Like, why are you so skinny? I was like, I'm not sure. Like,
Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
Tell him to fuck off. Nobody talks to you like that.
I give him dry answers. I'm like, I don't know.
It's none of his business, man.
Yeah. Because he used to always say that I have good legs. Like, you know. So I guess, like, I've just kind of thinned down a little bit. Apparently they're not good legs.
Huh?
Apparently they're not good legs anymore.
What a weirdo. Creep.
My mom told me when she was younger, people used to say that to her all the time, too.
What?
That she had, like, good legs, like thick legs.
Yeah, you do. Naturally. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's real chicken, too.
But,
Yeah, it is.
babe, it's probably like
No, it is. Look.
60% bio whatever, and then 40% real chicken.
Well, it's the realest chicken I've seen. Okay, so take that for what it's worth. You can actually see the fibers. Kind of see the fibers.
You'd be surprised what science can do nowadays.
I know, mama. Did you pass me the ketchups?
Here, there's one more.
Wait, that's it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna, man, when I go to the washroom, I'm gonna poop so, like, whenever I eat McDonald's, I poop it out, like,
Poop it out how?
it comes out, like,
Solid or like
it comes out, like,
comes out nice?
it comes out the way it comes in. Shay.
How are you so like, yeah, like how do you come up with these things?
It's actually not bad at all. Oh shit. Man, I just fell out.
Does it taste the same as the other one?
Yeah,
I feel
have
like
a
they
bite.
all taste the same. No, I can't. Okay.
Should have hopped it. What is happening?
Why is he running like this? Oh no. Oh Jess, oh no. Plastic ass. That was really oily.
Don't wipe it on your jeans, baby.
I wiped it on myself.
Mama.
Don't eat that, babe.
Eat what? Huh?
Look at that. Ugh. Don't eat it.
Why are we here? This is my all-time low. Eating McDonald's.
McDonald's? It's okay, babes. Once you like start school, trust me, like you'll get back into everything.
Oh.
I started cooking for myself. I've been making like chicken and vegetables, chicken and this, chicken and that, chicken with marinara sauce and cheese, chicken with a bunch of shit.
Pass me that drink, Mama.
What?
Aloe vera. Here, I got it.
Oh, Jess, I want some.
Do you like aloe vera?
I love it.
No, you don't.
I love it.
For real?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I used to drink this shit with my mom.
No
on my
way.
day.
Actually?
Of course.
No way.
Yeah.
Hang on. Don't drink out of it.
Why?
Because
No, baby, not that. No, I put stuff in there.
you're gonna get oil all over the lip part of it. Here,
You're so OCD. I hate it.
have a sip of that. Okay, there's your water. Okay, you take it,
Imagine it didn't go through.
make it rain. Yeah, teamwork. Pull it up. Hey.
It's a good stuff in there.
Sipping on some dessert.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay.
Ew. I feel like that's your jet boat
No,
voice.
it's not.
Okay.
No, it's not. My nose is itchy.
Throwbacks.
Delicioso?
Yes.
Can you say delicioso?
At work, I saw some. I like to give stickers to the kids because they're so cute, and then their parents just love me. So come here. So I found some Dora stickers, and then I put one on my name tag that said, "Good job."
Oh, that's
It was
cute.
like Dora. Like,
Is there more ketchup?
huh? Ketchup? No, baby.
In my side,
No more.
in my side
No
stash?
more.
Yeah, right.
No more, honey. I gave it to you for your other one.
Okay, I got one more back here.
I have the sweet sauce, but
The plum sauce.
yeah.
Man, I feel terrible about
Excuse
myself now.
No.
Fudge. Oh,
Yeah.
see? Got a secret stash. Oh,
You okay? What happened?
that chicken is real. Come on.
That's what they want you to think.
Man, I can't be fooled. I know my stuff. Look at this, Mama.
Okay. Don't eat that cheese.
Is it? Fuck, it's not.
It's not. Don't
Don't-
eat that cheese.
Which one? The one thing I respect about Wendy's, it's real chicken.
Nah.
Mama, it's real chicken. Like it's like just a chicken skillet that's breaded.
Cause like one time I got a salad from Wendy's.
It depends what you get.
That chicken was the whitest thing I've ever had in my
Oh yeah,
life.
okay.
Most fabricated, like
Just-
whatever. Most fabricated piece of cancer.
Right?
They're like, no, but it's not cancer. It's not cancer. It's cancer.
I don't care what you say, cancer.
Cancer. Pioneer. Biomedical engineer.
Not bad.
Oh my god, guess what? So Landard messaged me, I think yesterday or 2 days ago. He's like, hey, how's the fam? He's a family kid, like, you know. And then I snapped him and I told him, like, what everything that was happening, whatever. And I was like, how was your trip? And he was like, good, they lost my luggage in Portugal.
No.
Lost it.
So now?
So, but he messaged me and he said that apparently they found it. So hopefully it's the same, like...
How did they do that?
The same luggage. But if it's not, they give you money to buy clothes. But obviously you can't put a price on things like that, you know? Yeah, he told me, he's like, I have a lot of, like, sentimental shit there. And, like, you can't put a price on that, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some other chick that I know, she went to Europe on one of those, like, 10-day whatever, and you go to, like, 50 countries or some shit. She had two like, luggage things, and they lost it.
How did... I don't know how people...
And this girl was, like, first class, because she's rich as hell. They gave her, like, $1,000.
That's it?
Yeah. To, like, go shopping to, like, replace her stuff. I'd be pissed.
What's more of that?
Of what?
Aloe?
No, it's okay. I like drink a lot. Go ahead. Yeah, I'd be so mad. That's why I always like put something on my luggage so I know it's mine.
Yeah, me too.
And put my name on it and like that's my shit. You hungry as hell, eh?
Might as well have some seaweed.
So what?
I'm going off right
Is
now.
that like... Does that do anything? No.
Huh? What do you mean, does it do anything?
Yeah, like, is it, like, nutritious?
No, yeah.
It's, like, papery.
No, it's like...
Are you okay, honey?
It's like dried leaves. That has a lot of salt.
So it's... If anything, it's, like, sweet.
Yeah.
Come here.
So good, though.
That looks good.
What? Tired?
Yeah, I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. Yesterday I said something.
Me and my sister are addicted to these.
Yeah, she told me.
Well, what you say?
It's like, kuya?
Kuya what?
My brother and I are super addicted to these. I could eat 20. I'm like,
you know what's funny?
What?
She knows I'm addicted to them too. So she'll be like, do you want some more?
Yeah. I remember she gave you one pack and then she's like, Kuya, do you want another one?
She feeds.
And then you didn't answer her. It's like, Kuya, do you want another one?
She feeds
And she
my
goes
addiction.
back and she gets 2. And she like handed it to you. You didn't notice? She ate 2 of them. Kills me. What was I saying? What was I saying, honey?
Something about Lena Linguini's. You were there and you said some crazy stuff.
Obviously not.
Yeah.
That's not what I said.
Okay, something about you. The way you said something. You said something funny.
Oh yeah, yesterday when we were fighting, I was like, "Stop, John!
What?
Stop!"
Bob ass.
My eyes are like swollen. Tired, but you can look at it. Need some cuddles in my life. Cuddle? Baby cuddle?
Oh damn! It's like a.
A filter. Ow. What was I gonna say? Do you know Sofia Vergara?
No. Who's that? Who's that?
Only the most iconic Colombian Latina ever. She's an actress. She's really famous.
What's her name?
Sofia Vergara. She's famous for her accent. It's so thick. Like,
Who is she?
Holy.
Really?
Yeah. But it's fine because she's sexy, so like
Yeah.
people are like, oh, it's whatever. But like if an immigrant has a thick accent like hers,
Fob ass, get roasted.
Step on her, yeah, step on them like.
What's her accent like?
Thick, like thick Colombian accent. Like.
Can I hear it?
I can't. I don't know how.
Can you have a thick Colombian accent for me?
No.
Can you?
I can.
I like it.
I stop. I can't.
I would love. I would love
ooh. See, baby, you hurt me.
that. Oh, why? What happened? What happened, Mama?
Ow.
Oh, what? What happened?
Ow.
Damn, I'm.
Ow.
Damn, something bit me. Something's biting me.
It wasn't me.
No, I'm serious. Where's that water that I gave you earlier?
We drank it, honey.
No. The one that I put the alcohol on or whatever?
Oh, I don't know. You put it somewhere over there. Oh, there's a garbage right there. I'm gonna throw out the garbage.
Here, just two. Please, thank you.